In the heartlands of Indiana, emergencies can strike unexpectedly, demanding immediate waste management solutions. That's where Wright Dumpsters steps in with our emergency dumpster rental Indiana services. Whether it's sudden renovations, construction projects, or cleanup tasks, we are dedicated to providing prompt and efficient services to residents, businesses, and event organizers in key locales such as Anderson, Pendleton, and Muncie. Speed and efficiency are paramount in emergencies, as prompt waste management is key to restoring safety and normalcy. Our emergency dumpster solutions are designed for swift resolution, aiding effective waste management in time-sensitive situations. Common scenarios where our emergency dumpster rental Indiana services prove invaluable include cleanup after natural disasters, post-accidental waste accumulation, and unexpected construction or demolition tasks. Despite the challenges associated with emergency dumpster rentals, at Wright Dumpsters, we are committed to providing seamless services. Prompt delivery and pickup, handling varied waste types urgently, and meeting logistical needs in crunch situations are areas where we excel. Our goal is to ensure that your emergency dumpster rental Indiana experience is hassle-free, even in challenging situations. Contact Wright Dumpsters for immediate assistance in managing your waste during emergencies, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Call us at 765-425-1542.